But yeah, I wouldn't say my city nothing to brag about. You right about that. Ain't shit going on down here. Nigga ain't heard about Alec, cause we ain't making a lot of noise. But one thing I know for sure, it's a gutter everywhere you go. It's a ghetto everywhere you go. And if you come here, this is a poor city. And in a poor city, what do you find? People with poor mentalities. People that can care less. You know what I'm saying? People that don't have nothing to lose. That's what you find in a poor city. I ain't trying to make nobody afraid. I'm just being real with you. In a poor city, what do you find? People with poor mentalities, a poor mind. People with poor reasoning, poor understanding. You step on a nigga's shoe down here and a nigga ain't got no understanding, nigga might hit you with that pipe. Real talk. You talk about a nigga mama down here, nigga might fire you with that pipe. Real talk. Just saying, that's my city. I ain't gonna say I'm bragging. I ain't proud that we got a crazy city, but this is Central Stomping Grounds. The center of the boot. This where they was sending motherfuckers from Central Pinecrest. The center of the boot. That's where all the cray-crays come to. Real shit.